Okay, now that we've got the side pieces cut out, we can go along these lines and cut them out, but you got to remember, or keep in mind, these are actually printed to exact size. So this is the front piece, and what we want to do here is just line it up as best as we can here, and use just so it covers the graphics on the ends and there. Look around, it's a little bit off there. Whoops. Alright, yeah, everything looks good. So I'm just going to press down real firm and then just trace around the outside. And then hold this down and then come down, whoops, come down the side. There we go. And here's the side piece. Now, you'll see a little bit of white around, which is actually good. So, there's just a tiny bit of overhang. It will help us kind of line it up when we go to stick it on this piece. And now we want to do the same thing with the keyboard or the control panel. Again, we just put it right over. Line everything up. Make sure we're good all the way around. Oh, this is a little bit shy. Okay. There we go. All right, that looks good. So again, hold it down. I actually moved, so there we go. Alrighty. Now, not all the pieces cut all the way through, so we can just take our knife here and just hit the corner. It looks like this side's just a tad. There we go. Now we have the control panel. So it'll look nice when it goes on there. Now the marquee is going to be the same way. We're just going to put the plastic piece of marquee, which is on the other side of my shop at the moment, and once we cut that out, we'll come back, and the next video we'll start applying some graphics.